Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of LiveGood yet, you are watching the right video. All right, so LiveGood is a new affiliate marketing / network marketing online business opportunity that is on fire right now. People are joining LiveGood like crazy, and people are making a lot of money with LiveGood. Now, I've been a member for around 4 months now, have already earned some commissions, already earning some recurring monthly income from this opportunity. It's just a little bit, right? It's just a little bit so far, but I'm still making money. All right. So one thing that I really like about this opportunity is the fact that they have some really big plans for their members. All right. So LiveGood right now is all based around supplements. All right. Healthy products, right? Organic proteins, energy, amino acids, men's and women's vitamins. A collagen product is coming very, very soon. And the company is doing very, very well. People are actually buying the products and using the products and enjoying the products, right? And on the other side, people are actually loving the business opportunity and making money from promoting the LiveGood business opportunity, right? So I'm doing both, right? I'm using the products and I'm promoting the business, right? So here's the thing though. Why, if you're not a member of LiveGood, if you're on the fence about joining LiveGood, this is why you should join. So they have plans to be as big as Amazon. All right. They want to have as many different product lines out there where they can offer their products and services at very affordable prices to their members. All right. So it's just like the whole, Sam's Club and Costco, just like that. Right now, it's strictly, just supplements, and people are loving it, right? I'm loving it because I'm into that. But they're planning on branching out. All right. So what that means for you and me is that's going to give you more opportunity to bring in more people and ultimately make a lot more money as a LiveGood business builder. All right. So imagine now, maybe you're a member of LiveGood and you're like, damn, it's like, I know a lot of people, but I know they're not going to want to hear about no supplements. Even though the business opportunity dope, I just, supplements, that ain't my thing. So imagine if you still jumped in today, right? And you just stay a member, whatever. They're constantly adding new products and eventually they're going to be adding more services. So just imagine you already got your position locked in. You're paying $9.95 a month. So just imagine in a year from now, that's right, I said it, a year, they decide to open up a whole nother product line. Now this new product line, just imagine it is something that you rock with and other people that would rock with this opportunity. But because you've been a member for a year, you've just been paying a little $10, right? You might even be getting a little spillover money just from you waiting around, right? But now imagine, because remember, you already got your spot locked in, you good. You already getting people underneath you and all this. But now they add a new product that you can really rock with. So imagine the opportunity that's going to come. That's going to increase your chances of getting more spillover, people coming to you, and it's going to increase your personal sales, your personal, affiliate commissions. That's going to all jump up because now you're going to be promoting the new product line, right? You might be like, damn, the supplements, I'm going to promote this. But it's all going to be under the same umbrella, right? It's all money that you could be making. It's all monthly recurring income that you can be making, right? So imagine a couple years after that, they add another product line. And remember, you got locked in today, right? So you've been a member for years now, LiveGood. LiveGood is just second nature to you. Think about the earning potential, right? Because their goal, they said it out their mouth. They want to be the next Amazon when it comes to discount savings and membership. And this is where we can benefit from this. We can profit from this opportunity for many, many years to come. So I am super excited about this opportunity, and I'm definitely sticking with LiveGood for the long haul. So if you are not a member of LiveGood yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click the link in the description, take the Live Good tour, and get started. Because when it comes to Live Good, your boy is in go mode.